So today what I'm gonna do, as you see guys, my hair, I haven't done anything to it today. I've kind of just been wearing it pulled back in a ponytail with like a long braid. I'm actually gonna, it's about time that I do a hair mask. It needs to be moisturized. I live in Arizona, it's super hot, makes your hair super dry, especially when you have curly or wavy hair like mine. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and make a hair mask, and I'm gonna show you the products I'm gonna use in order to moisturize all of this. So in the hair mask today, I'm gonna be using olive oil. I hope you guys can see that. It's just some organic olive oil that I get from the grocery store. You can get it from Whole Foods or wherever. I'm also gonna be using, I wish you guys could see it, some grapeseed oil. Really good for moisture. It helps your hair retain moisture. Also gonna be using some raw honey. The raw honey is good for shine and moisture as well. And last but not least, I like to think that this is like what brings the mask all together and what makes your hair, your scalp, and everything just feel so yummy at the end of the mask. It's the handy dandy aloe vera plant. Look at that, it's pretty huge. I'm gonna try to use most of it because it goes bad really fast. So yeah, that's what we're gonna start with. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and combine all of the ingredients that I showed you guys previously. Here's my little glass bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and pour. I just like to pour. I don't like to measure. I'm just like guesstimating and tell you guys how much to pour in here. It depends on like how curly your hair is, how dry it is, how often you guys moisturize your hair, you know, all those type of different variables. So I'm gonna do about, I would say like 5 tablespoons of the grapeseed oil. I'm also gonna do about, I would say about a half a cup of olive oil. I need a lot of oil, so here's that. Already getting full. When it comes to the honey, I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons. Here's 1. Here's 2. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and do I'm gonna heat this up in the microwave because I like it to be warm. Okay, now that I've heated my oil and honey mixture in the microwave for about 30 seconds, I'm gonna go ahead, take out this bun that I've been living in for like the past week or 2. Oh, my hair is gonna be so happy after this. And I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off. It doesn't have to be parted straight or anything. I just like to section it off so that I can now take my cut up aloe vera plant. So slimy, okay? Yeah, so I can take that and just rub it all throughout my scalp. So you guys can see what I'm kind of doing. Take it, section it with your fingers, and just rub this all over your scalp. The thing about aloe vera plant, you might think that you use all the gooey, lovely gel out of it once you use it and rub it on your scalp maybe once or twice, but once you squeeze it, it'll bring about more goo. So don't waste it. This is like liquid gold. So some of that's done. I'm gonna use another little piece. And just continuously rub this through my scalp. So I wonder, how are you guys handling quarantine? Like, I feel like we're in jail, but we're like not even in jail, we're in the hole. Like, I'm so over it. Yes, we get to spend quality time with ourselves. If you have family who lives in the same town as you, if you live with your family, you're able to spend more quality time with them. But I'd rather be like working out at the gym, especially. I miss the gym. Living in Arizona, it's like 115 degrees like almost every day in the summer. So for me to work out, I either have to wake up like super early in the morning, or I have to go super late at night, which is kind of dangerous if you don't have a workout partner to go for a run or to go hiking. I like to hike a lot, so it's falling all over the place. What's some things you guys been doing to stay sane? I would like to know. Like just some little therapeutic things, maybe cleaning, maybe decorating, maybe shopping. Maybe shopping. I've been doing a little bit of each. And just self-care. So far, it's looking already a little juicy, you know? A little juicy. That's what you want it to look like. I'm gonna do this other side. So dry. I wish you guys could feel it. It's so dry. I don't think this side is done. I gotta get this edge together. I'm a person that I need to get my sideburns as well. Let me section through this and get this going. So now that I've rubbed the aloe vera plant throughout my scalp and massaged it in, as you see, my hair looks really, really moisturized already, and I haven't even added the oil yet. The curl pattern and the wave pattern is starting to pop more so. Just make sure you guys use every little bit of the aloe vera plant and massage it in really well, because you guys don't want to waste that. I'm going to go ahead now and add in my oil concoction, grapeseed oil, olive oil, and a little bit of honey. Just add the moisture. Leave it on, I would say, leave the mask on for about 1 hour, maybe even 2. It doesn't hurt to leave it on even overnight if you wanted to. I just don't feel like sleeping with stuff in my hair. It's so uncomfortable, and I really enjoy my sleep. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my hair. Here's just a quick glance at how my hair looks after all the oil has been put into it. Honestly, my hair is really sucking it up. My hair drinks oil like crazy. But you guys can see like the curls and the waves. Hopefully you can see it pretty well. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a plastic cap and leave this on for about 1 hour to 2 hours. And once I rinse it out, I'll be back to show you guys the final results for my moisture mask. So you guys, this is the final product of my mask. My hair feels very soft. It's not even tangled. Shrinkage hasn't really set in yet, but it'll shrink even more than this. But yeah, it looks great. It feels great. Make sure you give it a try.